do our letters and sounds. Do them with me, okay? Let's start by saying the letter names. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, let's see. Can we play a game of lightning rounds? How fast can you tell me the name of the letter? You can say it out loud. What letter is this? That's right, it's P. What letter is this? That's right, it's G. What letter is this? That's right, it's R. What letter is this? That's right, it's W. What letter is this? That's right, it's Z. What letter is this? That's right, it's Q. Last one, what letter is this? That's right, it's N. Okay, now let's do our letter sounds. Do them with me. A, apple, A, A. A, acorn, A. B, bear, B. C, cat, K. C, celery, S. E, egg, E. E, eagle, E. Don't forget, some of these make more than one sound. F, fish, G, goat, G. G, giraffe, J. H, hat, I, iguana, I. I, ice, I. J, jar, J. K, kite, L, leaf, M, mouse, N, nest, Notice my mouth says with my lips closed when I make the M, mouse sound. When I make the nest sound, you can still see my teeth. My mouth is open, but my teeth and my tongue are together. O, octopus, O, ocean, O. P, pig, Q, queen, Qu. R, ring, S, socks, S. Do you want to see my favorite socks? Yes? Oh, good. Those are my favorite socks. T, turtle, T. U, umbrella, U, unicorn, U. V, violin, V, v, v. It should tickle your bottom lip. V, v, v. W window, w, 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 w. X, X-ray, x, 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 x. Y yarn, y, 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 y. Z zebra, z, 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 z. Good job! You did all your letters and letter sounds. You are on your way to being an expert A+ reader and writer. Oh yeah!